In this video, we'll discuss about child future plan. Let's start. In this particular video, I'll cover how to plan for your child higher education or future funding, how to plan funding for your child's marriage. Hello friend, I'm your friend Kaustav. In my this 15 years of career, I came across different kind of customers. Some customers, they continuously did SIPs along with term plan and they achieve their child education goal. Few customers, they does not have any clue how to do financial planning and how to create wealth for their child's future. Then I saw third level of customer. They came to me at last stage when their child's education, higher education goal is very near, maybe within next 2 to 3 years. Some people, they told me ki Kaustav, definitely my child will go to government college or they will get maybe some scholarship. But as a parents, you need to prepare for their future. In my career, I came across different customer. I'm giving one example of one customer. Initially, we have created his portfolio as per his goal. Child education was one of his goal. So we plan for that and accordingly we allocate our funds to the right asset. At that point of time, he told me, Kaustav, my son's education will come for next 3 years. So what I have done is, that point of time, slowly I transferred his fund from equity to debt. But fortunately, he got admission in IIT and he got scholarship. He went to Germany and he did his engineering from IIT. So that point of time, we discuss and that particular amount my customer used for his maybe lifestyle improvement. But as a parents, you need to be always prepared. In this particular process, I'll use three scenario. If your child is 2 years, if your child is 7 years, and if your child is 15 years, good graduation, or if you want to go for engineering. Okay, so when we plan for our child future, we need to aim higher. Okay, maybe tomorrow if they get scholarship, if they can able to go for government college, well and good. Or else your child is not good at studies but he is good at business, maybe you need to support for his initial capital. Maybe whatever money right now we are planning for his graduation or post graduation, maybe that point of time he does not need that much of amount. He need only a few amount and rest of the amount you can help him for his future 20 lakhs as on today's date. Okay, so first scenario I have taken where child age is 8 years. Now for post graduation, maybe it is required 15 lakh. For marriage, maybe you need some as on today's days 10 lakhs. And what is the inflation value? Few days back I have seen one money control research data. So over there I found key right now our education inflation is around 10%. For calculation purpose, consider inflation as 6%. Your child graduation will come in the year 2033. In the year 2035, he or she will go for post graduation. Here everyone is different. Your thought process, your ambition, aspiration might be different from me, X, Y, Z, your friends and all. Okay, that is why you should go for a customized financial plan. For that, you can reach out to me. You can reach out to my website. You can WhatsApp to me through my website. You can fix up 1 hour Zoom meeting with me so that we can discuss what is as per your need, what is requirement. It is one-to-one session. So say for example, so this is one format I am using. I use multiple format. This is easy to use. That is why I am using for this demonstration purpose. So if it is 20 lakhs as on today's date and 6% is the inflation, future value in the year 2033, future value of 20 lakhs would be 37 lakhs. Now 15 lakhs if you need in the year 2035, future value of 15 lakhs would be 31 lakhs. Marriage, if it is 10 lakhs, future value of 10 lakhs in the year 2040 would be 28 lakhs. How much return is expected? So normally what I guide people to go for mutual funds and take one term insurance. It is good enough for you for risk adjusted potential upside. As it is a long term, what we can do is maybe we'll invest into equity fund, and averagely we can consider it will give you around 13% kind of return. Remember, it may give better return as well. Whenever we are doing planning, we should be conservative enough. So if your child age is 8 years and you have 19 years, so I'm just giving 19, that means you have 11 years. Out of 11 years, 9 years you will continue your SIP with equity fund. 2 years, whatever profit you will get out of this 9 years investment, that profit booking period will come. So you will preserve your profit, and so that is why 2 years buffer we are just taking. Invest 15,000 per month, or lump sum 9,89,000. Then 11 years you can able to generate around 37 lakhs. Okay, same way if I go for second option again, it is like 13%, and you have time for next 11 years. So if you, because it has more years, so if you do 8,953, 9,000 ka SIP, it would be taken care. So this is also far, so it is like another 5 years. So here you have 16 years of time, and if it is giving 13%. Why I keep 2 years ka buffer? Because whatever investment we'll do next 2 to 3 years, when we see any bull run, that point of time we need to book the profit and preserve cash in debt fund or fixed deposit for this particular goal. So this is, as on today's date, you need 20 lakhs when he will be 19 years, 2039. If I consider 6% as a inflation, remember inflation may change, but I am taking last 10 years average around 6%. Future value of your fund would be 53 lakhs. That means that point of time you need 53 lakhs 85,000. So if your child is 2 years, then your child will go for graduation in 19 years, then you have 17 years. So you can invest for next 15 years for graduation, 17 years for post graduation, and 22 years for his or her marriage. Okay, so see the magic, see the power of compounding. See the magic, see how power of compounding works. So for his graduation, if you do investment around 8,000 ka SIP, at the time of your graduation, you can able to generate around 53 lakhs. If you do only 5,000 SIP, then at the time of post graduation, your corpus can build up around 45 lakhs. If you do only 2,300 ka SIP, if you start only 2,300 ka SIP for next 22 years, you can able to generate 40 lakhs of corpus for marriage of your child. See the power of compounding. See, as in previous case, it was like the child was 8 years. So that is why you need more fund. As here you started early, that is why within lesser fund you can able to achieve better corpus. So remember friend, financial planning is very much important. So everyone is very much different. Their risk appetite, risk profile, everything is very much different. Okay, so you should do your financial planning. Whatever stage you are in, you should start your financial planning now. As per your convenience, you can fix up your slot by going to my website. Over here, one section is there where you can go and you can book meeting as per your convenient Zoom one-to-one meeting with me. So hope to see you soon. Thank you.